there, my name's Karina, and we just covered surface preparation. Now we're on to the very exciting part, painting. With careful preparation complete, it's time to embark on the exciting stage of painting and finishing your furniture piece. This is where your creative vision truly comes to life. The art of painting finishing holds the power to transform ordinary furniture into extraordinary focal points that reflect your unique style and taste. How much paint will I need? How much paint you need for your project will vary a bit depending on which color you're painting with, the original finish on the piece, and how you apply the paint. The good news is that we have some tricks to help you make an educated estimate. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide which size to buy. Our 32-ounce quartz will cover approximately 120 square feet, or a dining room set. Our 16-ounce pints will cover approximately 60 square feet, or a couple of end tables. And our 4-ounce sample jars will cover approximately 15 square feet, or a side table. What is the right brush for you? Having the right tools makes a huge difference. We've all learned from experience that cheaper isn't always better, right? High-quality synthetic bristle brushes, good lint-free rags, working with a damp brush, and painting with nice thin coats will ultimately give you that fabulous end result you have in mind. No matter what, we want to make sure you get the best results when you're painting your furniture, and we feel it's important to understand that when it comes to paintbrushes, spending a little bit more on a high-quality synthetic bristle brush will be an investment you won't regret. Today we'll be using the 2-inch oval brush for this project and a painting sponge for the spindles. Glazing. We've already applied a coat of our graphite glaze over the wood grain to add some depth. We'll add another coat to show you how easy it is to apply. Just like painting a piece, you'll want to make sure to apply in thin, even strokes along the wood grain. Just like our paint, it may take 1 to 2 hours for the piece to fully dry before applying a finishing coat. The best way to paint furniture. Thin coats of paint are often faster overall because each coat of paint dries so fast and doesn't tend to get those gummy brush strokes that can happen sometimes when you try to rush the process with thicker coats. Most of us here like to paint with a damp brush. This is another little secret to that great professional looking finish. Painting with a damp brush makes the bristles more pliable and helps eliminate the chance of heavy brush strokes, and is another way to make the paint go further. Start off by running your brush underwater and soaking it really well. This gets the brush ready for painting, but it also makes it easier to clean by preventing the paint from getting stuck in the ferrule by the handle. Then squeeze the excess water out with a lint-free cloth. You want to make sure the brush is slightly damp, but definitely not soaking wet. Another tip is, if your project like this one has spindles, our painting sponge is great for that. Drying time for paint. Country sheet paint dries quickly and will be ready for the next coat within 90 minutes or less. Now, this isn't taking into consideration the heat or humidity levels where you live or where you're painting. So if it is super humid, it might take longer or might need a fan to speed the drying time up. If the humidity is low where you live, then the drying time might be a little bit faster. No matter what though, once you've achieved the coverage you want with your paint, we recommend giving it a good 12 to 24 hours to dry thoroughly before glazing, waxing, or applying a top coat. How to choose a furniture finishing product. Here are a few options when it comes to sealing painted furniture. You have water-based top coats, wax and oil-based top coats. Knowing which product to use and when is half the battle when you are first starting out on the adventure of painting furniture. For today, we will be applying our product hemp oil over the glazed surface on top. You'll want to treat these coats the same way as when you paint. Nice, even thin coats to make sure the finish is smooth looking. Generally, it comes down to what the finished surface is going to be used for or subjected to on a day-to-day basis. Kitchen or dining table that will be used every day for family meals? Then you'll want to use our clear coat. A beautiful raw coffee table? Hemp oil is an excellent choice. A bookshelf or something that won't get a lot of wear and tear or require any daily cleaning or wiping? Our furniture wax is the perfect choice and gives a soft, smooth, protective finish. Congratulations on completing your furniture painting and finishing journey. You transformed your piece into a personalized work of art that reflects your style and creativity. Share your journey, inspire others, and keep exploring the possibilities of furniture painting.